Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about your floral knife. How many of these have you lost over the years? I would hate to think about that. And they're too expensive to lose, not to mention how inconvenient. Taking the time and adding a bauble, a little bit of flower jewelry to your knife can help keep it track. Maybe it's a jade bead that you love. Maybe it's the last remaining earring that you lost the other pair, just clipping it on and then having it all together. If you travel and work off-site, might even go so far as using an Apple AirTag, going ahead and feeding that through the hole, twisting it on, and that way you can always find where you've left your knife so that you don't lose it. Now you know how the pros do it.